My name is Parvez Siraj, and I'm the Secretary for Christian Friends International. And I've been part of Christian Friends International for the past 26 years. And we took this initiative and the burden upon us, few of the families, to serve the youth of Pakistan who have been left behind due to financial situations, but we want them to grow. We wanted them to be able to fish for themselves. We took this burden upon us that we want to serve the youth of Pakistan, because we did not want to forget from where we came from and what trials and tribulations, particularly financially, we faced to get education. And now God has blessed us, and we want to share our blessings with those children in Pakistan. And we have done it for the past 26 years, and we want to continue. And my heart's desire is, as long as I live, I've taught my children, I've taught my wife, this is what we are going to do. And we will, because we want to see the Lord coming soon. And we do not want those poor children in Pakistan to be left behind.